Anti arrogance of power na busia are started NDC mo den. Sesi America say no NDC ni communicator be in fact we Greater Crowd Regional NDC Organizer. We beti Ghana for nyina atem. After say Ghana for no complain ye say Accra e kwan e wo ho nyina no kwan ne nye. It was empany for hwe na omoya kwan no. Mayi abedi Ghana for nyina atem ama honorable Sticka any TikTokers abe reply no. Me mon tribu no akere wa adwen ama me. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Me so say any mo. Over like keep video no other my subscribe button so na back the notification icon no latest update some better wa adwen ama me ewo comment section. Best also baso no I share for so enya bi ahwe. Now first to Facebook and page no ewo hono at Penyah Block Media. We actually quite follow here. Link on your pen ewo comment section under this particular video. But so they be follow your Facebook. They build the family together. Now let's begin from here. Obekaya na say mo about a month ago. Ana Mahama Eco PM ewo USC for a summit. Emma Honey who said Yarete Billboard be Ama Mahama wo New York City. New York City big billboard be or na Mahama picture edit that so. Emma Ghana for no celebrities Ghana you quite you go global say. Yet me erect a whole billboard Ama Mahama ewo USC let's Mahama no. Or kwero just say adene free you. Hey. Oh yeah dey na say free. Say na free e ka dia chire no tua ye no e ka Ghana boy ye no enye ka kuma
Adolfo mechiacho bibia na when him say NDC party omo yes scammers pa NDC is a scam and you know when him say the very things that the NDC criticized the MPP about no NDC by they are doing worse than what MPP did. No more opposition. Omo kasaya and the MPP for expended extravagantly. Oyedi omani sika yes, omani ne diske. Other for when him say you and assembly na call so New York no. Mahama de ne the picture billboard. Na when him ska cost. Sa billboard na ebo no. It cost Ghana $170,000. $170,000 no broni nya de free. Na ibe crown pono Ghana pono say o de o picture na say advertisement ko bob billboard so say nye free you pay for it. And ask yourself say na enye Ghana nkwa na e course UN assembly no. And na enye ye can say Yankwaba and Pennyfua him Pennyfua to 32 from Western. Nipa hina who say ya don't more picture a cocoa New York Billboard so. Nipa he there's a more there from NDC in the branding there from Bars branding said a more there do New York. And ho and cocoa branding na ye then sa branding na Mahama picture bebo kakaka no. Town sitting, then a year ma Ghana economy, then a year ma Ghana ni. And so no, omoba, omano din, but almost when your opportunity now, they do worse things than the things that omo criticize. And then meanwhile, and so no, there are a whole lot of challenges. What Ghana ye pesca they are fixing. Nurses ne enya adwuma munya posting because hospitals ne wa homo ka akoye adwuma. It's $970,000 couldn't it have been say be betting craft finish even agenda sa 111 hospitals e betting craft finish be ana and they are just northern region nurses for a demonstration. What are they demonstrating about? Ye imposti wo but etimi enyeska akodu obi maso akakotwa $170,000 for just a billboard yefa picture enkonko boso keke. Ghana, are we really serious? It's a really reset agenda na NDC for besha and banana. They say nkokon kitenkete when is it coming up? Because we are still waiting for nkokon kitenkete no. 24-hour economy, $117,000. Na ain't me who be biana, ain't me financial and sky he and I hear say betting the 24-hour economy nothing. We need answers. And penifon me church mu. Yeah, try because this cannot happen in Ghana. It can continue. Things can't continue like this. We have to be responsible. So I didn't me and my high and me card in meanwhile, when you get the opportunity to serve Ghanaians, you do worse things than that. So it's not going to work anymore. In the NDC for now, the Maya defense ministers now more up with so more comment section. Now someone made church the reason why I was some Mahama I got spend 117,000. I was Billboard would we can say New York. More made church na MPP for so mumianti monka comment section na say someone no mo ya adwen and answer you guys didn't see anything wrong with it because it's like nobody is even talking about it. And now so makaka koye and say and Mahama speech of mine then the speech no what did they bring to Ghanaians? I want say I left visa ban na Donald Trump they ban the Ghana or more they left visa no. E they left we no. It me reduce taxes now Donald Trump they go Ghana for so more important man. E reduce no more is taxes na free swana. These are some of the questions or say it me be say any answers. Na say be ya say yeah. I don't know. I don't get it. Comment section. I said because what is going on? No, I don't understand. Sir, why it's also no Africa for any opportunity now. There be any man bros be BOC a kind of one. Abra Bruni no didn't find a picture and can't call who be ni. Now we here now kaka slaba o my mood need to go picture akoko ball no ma else akoko chia huska na naska na o ka akọ Penyah be ma obi ana enu internet say na ekoso eno no odo for my mental comment section asem if I try like it ne follow me page.
What I say? There's a Ghana your boy way just to get Mahama on that billboard. Thousands of dollars just to get Mahama on that billboard. Now let's go to the main story. Ebusia Enra Echino. Anna Greater Accra NDC Regional Organizer. I refer to Anthony Nukpenu. Eko PM ewo Asempa FM. I say na omo twem komo ono osei. Omo twem komo na enkomo yetwe ni mo no. Ana obi buza asem ewo comment section. Obi say oh Aselebotwe high road no kwan ni nyina nye obi otwe obi abedi ho dance kwan he asai I was say NDC company vote to na si from na omo hwe na omo siesie kwan no na omo di ye etu ye eno asem ye na just obi bebusa o comment section bi kan comment section ho no mo out of nowhere NDC ni communicator yi I to say national organizer yi onkasa ochirema o Ghana for pe complain too much sebe bibia na complaining ensebunu bia na complaining also omu ye no bo ja say bibia na complain na Ghana for be complain too much.
The roads from Asaleboche Highway Junction to Lakeside Estate is so bad that saloon cars find it difficult to move and it creates huge traffic. Obi, we have tried calling the NP Abu Ramadan's office, but we've not been successful. Obi, we are dying on the highways to Lakeside Road. Please help us. Hashtag fix Boche roads. Hey. Na Abu Ramadan ono de kwa Adamu. Yeah, Adamu Ramadan. No, yeah, MP no. Or can MP no. Na MP we so yeah, adwuma de.
Then only.
Now Muka Rose as I do their own thing.
Almost some contribution.
No money taxes.
They should go and they can amend it.
Oh, please. Do you know
I am telling you seriously, when you live in a community that there is a problem, the community can come together, fix something for government coming. We should stop complaining. We are not helping ourselves. Talking about here.
Now the no. And the baby is name the party.
The road was constructed. It has have defects. Currently, if there's no budget, you can't force it to be there.
Yes.
The community should come together. They should come together and do something to put it in a motorable way. Once the government plans to come in, people should stop complaining in this country.
Obi.
Complaint masters. Ufre mpiome there.
Among for a triatua or more quiet.
Omutuato. Obi wo ho na murim no ku konifi. Onu de ontuato. Our focus is on roles of economic importance.
But the lakeside area is a big deal. That area
is Adenta Assembly now a share revenue
from that place.
Progress. Omuno revenue.
Hey. Anyways. You
see, the reality is that not that it will not be done.
Yes.
But currently, if there's no budget, if there's no funds, you can't go to the site. Because to even go and grade every gravel,
but I think you should rather call on the assembly, say, even if they're buying any
I will call on the assembly when there is commitment of citizens.
No, what I'm saying.
Because all the time, your customer citizens there,
what I'm saying is, what the citizen does, say on 300 taxes, you deal with him, but so 300 tax, then respectfully they are okay in there because and not drip machines no. Drip machines is to make the roads more
and your fuel never talk.
Na fuel assembly into fuel.
Fast can him.
And I'm say obetsna aka and I say Abanya Babe announced say this time assembly in Kenya 25 million or say
that money so list of allocation.
Absolutely.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
Who drip fuel.
Oh, come off it.
That is IGF. Yeah, assigning Sikano to the various sectors that they should expend it to make the electoral area or the municipal area very conducive. Are you getting me? Assemblies have roads department, but their budget doesn't come to the assembly. It comes from the roads ministry.
Sure.
Are you getting me? But they do interventions.
Yes.
Are you getting me? They do interventions. And as and when an MP also have a fund going to his or her allocation, he also intervene by maybe providing some gravels and other these things.
Sure.
Nipa no here complain. The me say they've written to the assembly say say ni epe ani here ani but yetimi boy ho akodu see mo be so yase.
And what's on
they have to. Who is suffering? When they break, who are there to? One. And you be not to know. Almost crying, I say. Almost say a crying more trouble. Almost crying more trouble. And I didn't have to and I didn't have to complain me for solution in back. Coming together will bring you a solution. Once government moves in.
Coming together to do what? In a common rent grade and image crime so
can grade I rent a so ye important sir. I'm not against them, but you see, sometimes Senyamano 2 year, yes, we ain't kind of and nothing about a mini Okruma because Obia dream say, yes, I buy necessary baller. How? I got to do an abedi, we were creative baller, I was a buy necessary amount.
Just 10 months ago, now he was nobody. He was such stupidity, such foolishness. Kwasiake Jimmy Sem say yay. Just 10 months ago, not this useless term was nobody. But now, no. Why in the complaining ya all Ghana? NDC for that time they were angry like a year coming to they were making noise every now and then, talking as if that there areas in the area. As a Ghana Koura to Krumu, a comedy woman, no one can say the as a Ghana Koura won't come. Oba Ben was just 9-10 months in office. Ghana for Kasa Binidi. Or say Ghana for Epe complain too much. Ye young kwasi adi de no. Now in similar kind of with a comedian as well. Honorable Sticka, any TikTokers have a replied. Now we any semo or mocha.
But some draw this distinction. The culture. Maybe Diana, oh boy, no credit. But and yet, or my trace to
not so honestly.
No,
memo about no so, but I just want an honest review because
and of course, Miniano Ekasa, I think, sir, and trade. na the na tia so ne say I also think say most of them want to educate public no because you are not bad any other two MPs so no you can no kuro you can say o ko ne bi o can say but you can a kwan de you be catch MPs a kwan say ya enye say na MP wo kasa baby na pressure and stress and na wo no so no you don't confirm be say MP so na ye kwan
Doc mame mo akakra we kra de onye member of parliament or ye just NDC regional organizer
oh any baby one try
NDC regional organizer
baby I know they want try because me kai pa say ye work ho no NDC for koya so timi ma nkofo ko hye ties wo kwan so se kwan no nye na aban no enye na dwuma ye nka ne dem a owura ni banyamfo sosu o kai MP no o lead the demonstration oh no any constituency a MCH no kura ko court wo hu bibi so obeka
yeah me kai
court invited police invited no bem so wanko eti nwanwa say na aban so de oba it's your responsibility to provide things that will actually let the people or your subjects derive their utilities or satisfaction say what na be bibi e bebo wo mo onjimi nyani nyina one day eti me for say e do this level na when you careful so oba ko plan same bia emfata me nua no de a either say obaba menka oba be apologize to Ghanaians and for Ghanaians no so no yenti asia so say eto da asem na ye beka me ye de to abama ye no enye no a na ye ba ye go for NPP NDC and very unfortunate into this she also kind of provide a platform of lessons for all the people who vote but me feel say me aneka na dey honestly speaking say ya na yentwa bi fira bia nka ho a because I thought that your trust issues no say the any wanyin honestly
so then I want to come
abusiafo yi NDC communicators for no eya mo betina some of them on betina radio station one eya mo shiwi and on the betina radio station one abusia me see NDC some of the NDC communicators eya mo shiwi and I'm betina radio station keka sansem na have you seen the picture on my top there? This guy is called Anthony Mukwenu or whatever. This guy went to search on a friend and said, it was the same program. Now, Mukoti in some more kind. I think I was a agenda one president, and I do see him. You find a poultry farm. Sound crofo we answer now for time. You see Jubilee House. Almost can say, almost the way a friend is saying, Coco Boo. These are the same people. Hey, NDC, some of you communicators, we are not building a political party. We are building Ghana. Yenina Ghana can't come yenina yeshano. Into Munya Konya Namo Betina radio station. A young Munkanyan Sassam, na Chimiaka Sanados to do. At the Yamuba Mushiwi, some of the NDC communicators, Mubaya Mushibunto, Amuda Betina, a radio station working can cost Samsa. A journalist for to the beer, or be one of Cassans in Wasasamoya, Moon free studio, whether MPP or NDC, Moon free studio, yet to on mine, into political party. In Tinsipia, free some of the communicators, Manuma, Ayana airtime. Jimmy Casa, almost say, I know my son, their opposition, Obiaba. A former president John Nana Dubai who see agenda 111 then I was away Mobile to us says the company anywhere Moon Kamagana for us on so Yenya but agenda 111 ya bet to us now what's an Asakasan and the 111 crack I was here the young Kukubu Jimmy Casa we penny moon cuts out was the same way now some of the NDC will be supporting this guy. We are not building a political party. We are building a country called Ghana. Into Munya Kunya Namokotina radio swa, a Yamunkanya Sassam, Nento Ghana for soon. Na Jimmy Casano, ados.
No Penu Anthony, you the craze, now so you the arrogance. You know the same arrogant things where Akufo-Addo show people boy him like that. You won't cause bad name for the president. You won't cause bad name for Honorable Abu Ramadan. Something that worry you. When it be that thing when you speak to the people of Ashaliboche on is it as Empire FM or whatever, then they whack you for brain. I bet go sit down and learn. You know they respect human beings. You since when did you join NDC? Since when did you become NDC National Organizer in Accra? Ashaliboche in perspective. Something they worry you. People on Ashali Botre, I apologize on his behalf. How dare you talk to such people like that? That they should do something that the government will come in. You they mad? Do you know for how long Honorable Abu Ramadan have been MP in Ashali Botre? But they are not. They didn't make any chaos about it. They are just, drawing your attention that they are not able to reach Honorable Abu Ramadan. And you know they work nonsense. Something they worry you. Shame on you.
The former government, the NPP political party, you kasa ho na you complain government we so dey call for the same thing na you ba beka you wanna mampani from that Akufo-Addo voter region baby only say e-blocks na paja to asma mampani can say pekasa do na to na dey so ono ansi abusia arrogant awmaso ni adiade busia abawe so eba ne nkofo mi bibi ahase me ma omo so abusia the NDC Greater Accra Organizer abusia ya fana Anthony nukpenu akwa asempa obi show so na emse obi text message say Ashali Botre road ne so ho baby mo nya enti on kan mo nya abusia na obi ekubusa organizer NDC Organizer na MP oye adwuma abusia Oji asema NDC Organizer Greater Accra NDC Organizer kaye wan country obeko o ka kire ni Ghana for said you pe complain too much you can't do massa really you pe complain such an arrogant behavior from the Greater Accra region Greater Accra NDC Organizer and masuoko koti arrogant also ashase mumu bi mu so mo ashase na se wako show so na obi wo area no text ba say omo kwanya na ebusa say UMP as organizer UMP oya adwuma dia asem na so kacha timamuni no amanu say ampa mo ready say mo beye na emre na nso ye wo so pekasa do Ghana for pekasa do they should stop complaining they should say mo obi kwa no mura no coffee arrogant mo so bani washase wallahi ya nemu mawe mu ebe butu awmasuo arrogant na obi ye na ene ni ko bo sam jemu no ya mesere I was shocked keke munwie yo mukase mowie timamufo Ghana fo na omudi tumi mamuno awu ade bi na nye o complain chiraw na okura pono wonwa ekwa so so won o ka tete mumuni se o pe complain no penu alai sabia ye na putu ebe funo because obi ye ne kan ya nhwe ma nye ne be di tira sei dabi ama so pone be no sai na ga tete mumuni anya we bahu bibi enye o ka kire o say the Ghana for pekasa do you pe complaints really you pe complaints say edu abato na obekwa ka kire wabusuafo nkoa na abeto abona ma wabusuafo nkoa ana ba organize omo amana vote ba party no
obeto akire wa adwen amame e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media.